Today, we're getting our hands on the future of foldables with the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. This sleek phone is rumored to be unveiled on July 10th at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event in Paris, and it's packed with exciting upgrades. We're also expecting new smartwatches, earbuds, and even Samsung's first ever smart ring alongside it. But for now, let's flip open the possibilities with the Galaxy Z Flip 6. Now, leaks suggest some significant improvements under the hood. The biggest concern for previous Z Flip models was battery life. Those 3,300 mAh batteries just couldn't keep up. Thankfully, the Z Flip 6 is rumored to come with a much beefier 4,000 mAh battery, matching the Galaxy S24. This, combined with the efficient Snapdragon chip and software optimizations, should translate to noticeably better battery performance throughout the day. Speaking of power, the Z Flip 6 is expected to be a powerhouse thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This same chip fuels the Galaxy S24 series, promising top-notch performance for everything you do, especially when it comes to gaming. But that's not all. The Z Flip 6 is also rumored to be the first in the series to offer a hopping 12GB of RAM option. The base model will likely stick to 8GB, which is still plenty for most users, but for those power users who demand the absolute best, the 12GB variant will be a game changer, although it might be limited depending on your region. Calling all photography enthusiasts, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is rumored to boast a massive upgrade in the camera department. We're looking at a 50-megapixel primary camera, a significant leap from the previous 12-megapixel sensors. This camera is expected to be the same one found in the Galaxy S23 and S24, which means you can expect incredible picture quality and features like stunning 8K video recording. While the Z Flip 6 might not have a dedicated zoom lens, it should offer improved digital zoom performance, especially in the more commonly used 1:3x range. Samsung is making a big commitment to software support with the Z Flip 6. Earlier this year, they announced a generous policy of 7 years of OS updates for the Galaxy S24 series. The good news is this extended support is likely coming to the Z Flip 6 as well. That means 7 years of Android and One UI updates, along with regular security patches to keep your phone safe. This extended software support might contribute to a slightly higher price tag, but the peace of mind of having a future-proof device for years to come is definitely worth considering. So there you have it, folks. A bigger battery, top-tier performance with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and potentially 12GB of RAM, a fantastic 50-megapixel camera, and an extended software support policy. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 seems to be raising the bar for foldables. While these upgrades might come at a premium price, the improved features and long-term value could make it a worthwhile investment. Let us know in the comments below if you're excited about the potential upgrades in the Galaxy Z Flip 6. We want to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Today, we are diving into the latest buzz surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Buckle up, because this phone is shaping up to be a true game changer in the world of smartphones. Let's get into the juicy details. First off, Samsung seems laser focused on making the S25 Ultra the king of smartphones in 2025. The company appears to be using a two-pronged attack to achieve this, a monstrous camera system and mind-blowing performance upgrades. Let's start with the camera. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to stick with its familiar quad-camera setup, but with some serious enhancements. The main sensor will likely boast a hopping 200 megapixels, matching the S24 Ultra but optimized for the S25 Ultra's specific hardware thanks to the new Snapdragon Agent 4 camera ISP. But that's not all. We're also looking at a 5x optical zoom lens with a 50 megapixel sensor, a brand new 3x optical zoom lens, also with a 50 megapixel sensor, and an ultra-wide angle lens getting a bump to 50 megapixels as well. These upgrades, particularly for the 3x zoom and ultra-wide sensors, are long overdue and promise to significantly elevate mobile photography. Now let's talk about performance. One of the most exciting rumors is the reintroduction of a fan-favorite feature, a 16GB RAM option. And not just any RAM, but the industry-first LPDDR5X RAM, capable of speeds up to a staggering 10.7 GePs. This translates to unparalleled performance for on-device AI, demanding tasks like cloud gaming, and much more. When you combine this insane RAM with the power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 processor, the S25 Ultra has the potential to be the absolute performance leader in the smartphone world. Speaking of the Agent 4, another reliable leak suggests it'll house the most powerful GPU ever seen in a smartphone. Benchmarks show prototypes running Genshin Impact at a smooth 1080p resolution and 60 FPS. A dream for mobile gamers. Currently, this popular game is capped at 720 on most phones, and maintaining a consistent 60 FPS is a struggle. Of course, with great power comes a potentially higher price tag. Rumors suggest the Snapdragon Agent 4 chip could inflate the price of the entire S25 series compared to its predecessor. Qualcomm has reportedly increased the cost of the Agent 4 significantly compared to the Agent 3. This leaves Samsung with a tough choice: raise prices across the board or potentially use the Exynos 2500 processor for the S25 and S25 Plus, reserving the mighty Agent 4 exclusively for the S25 Ultra. The Agent 4 itself is a whole new beast, built from the ground up using Qualcomm's Super Orion cores previously seen in their laptops. This chip has the potential to give the Galaxy S25 Ultra performance that rivals some Apple M series laptops. But wait, there's more. We also have hot rumors about the Galaxy S25 Ultra being equipped with the next generation of storage, UFS 4.1. Universal Flash Storage, or UFS, determines how fast your phone can access and store data. The latest and greatest version is UFS 4.0, which powers many current flagships, including the Galaxy S24. But the future is calling, and whispers suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra might be the first to sport UFS 4.1. While UFS 5.0 is expected around 2027, UFS 4.1 steps in as a minor yet significant upgrade. It's not a mind-blowing jump in raw numbers, but it's targeted to enhance specific areas like on-device AI features. Faster read and write speeds with UFS 4.1 will allow the phone to access data needed by AI algorithms much quicker, translating to smoother performance for features like scene optimization in your camera app, real-time language translation, and other background AI functions. So, what does this all mean? The Galaxy S25 Ultra, if equipped with UFS 4.1, is shaping up to be a powerhouse for AI enthusiasts. Faster data access, improved multitasking, and potential battery life improvements. That's a recipe for a future-proof phone ready to tackle demanding tasks. Of course, this is all based on rumors for now, but one thing's for sure: the future of smartphones looks increasingly intertwined with the power of AI, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with its potential UFS 4.1 upgrade, might just be at the forefront of that exciting evolution. So there you have it. What are your thoughts on the upcoming S25 Ultra? Are the camera upgrades exciting you? Can't wait for the return of 16 gigabytes RAM? Or is the potential power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 blowing your mind? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you in the next one, guys. Until then, goodbye.